Test assignment will vary depending on the manner in which you have bent the world to your will.
So these are the 6 vitrified test chamber doors. No one has actually posted a video on this yet, but that's not a very creative name because they're pretty much vitrified test chambers. There are 6 altogether, but they're both in groups of 3, so you only need to make 2 different trips to find them all. I actually found both sets on my first round through Portal 2 because I got lost a lot. Yeah.
You'll know when the test starts.
Okay, so you first shoot a portal over there, and another one just here. Walk through, and here are 3. You just have to push the use button or key just to start the talk.
If you've cut yourself at all in the course of these tests, you might have noticed that your blood is pure gasoline. That's normal. We've been shooting you with an invisible laser that's supposed to turn blood into gasoline, so all that means is it's working.
And that's wonderful.
If you need to go to the bathroom after this next series of tests, please let a test associate know, because in all likelihood, whatever comes out of you is going to be coal. Only temporary, so do not worry. If it persists for a week, though, start worrying and come see us, because that's not supposed to happen.
That's disgusting.
Just a heads up, we're going to have a superconductor turned up full blast and pointed at you for the duration of this next test. I'll be honest, we're throwing science at the wall here to see what sticks. No idea what it'll do. Probably nothing. Best case scenario, you might get some superpowers. Worst case, some tumors, which we'll cut out.
That's like the 3rd time they mentioned tumors in this game. Super speedy effect. Okay, so after this you just carry on normally, which means do the weird little fling. And after you land, you should just carry on for a bit until you reach the next point. And I'm going to skip a bit, and then you just end up here. First, to shoot a portal up here, and then another one down here, walk through it, and you should see this little building. It just appears to be one of those other office buildings that are all over the place. You can just look around, but here appears to be an elevator door, but if you go up to it, it'll open up. Again, just push the use button on those little things.
If you're allergic to peanuts, you might want to tell somebody now, because this next test may turn your blood into peanut water for a few minutes. On the bright side, if we can make this happen, they're going to have to invent a new type of Nobel Prize to give us, so hang in there.
The peanut water prize.
The average human male is about 60% water. As far as we're concerned, that's a little extravagant. So if you feel a bit dehydrated in this next test, that's normal. We're going to hit you with some jet engines and see if we can't get you down to 20 or 30%.
Does that mean females are a different percentage?
All right, we're working on a little teleportation experiment. Now, this doesn't work with all skin types, so try to remember which skin is yours, and if it doesn't teleport along with you, we'll do what we can to sew you right back into it.
And that's just disgusting once again. Okay, and then to carry on, you just carry on with the portal there, and another portal here, and carry on to where you see potatoes, which is the GLaDOS potato. I should probably have already mentioned this, but that actually gives you an achievement for getting all of those. Here are other Portal 2 Easter eggs that are Easter eggs that I found or I've looked up, but mostly ones I've found. You can also subscribe if you feel like it, which is always nice because I like subscribers. And if you like to subscribe, I would like that too. Don't know what that sentence just was. Anyway, some of these are kind of interesting. You see that one says singing turrets because they have turrets that sing. The Borealis is found in the same place, so you click that too.